Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adekojo. I am from Lagos State, Nigeria, in Alimosho, underserved community. My passion is to transform Africa in technology. When I was young, my passion was transforming in technology, but later on expanded to transforming Africa in technology. And the reason for that is because I got to realize that there's a lot of issues in Africans too, which is like zero hungers, food insecurity, and a lot of low unemployment and rest like that. So in part of that, a lot of people do used to tell me that my passion is so unrealistic because of this the whole Africans. I'm not able to impart just my Alimosho community, but I want to impart the whole full Africa. So because of that, I got to sit down, analyze, and then to set up 3 goals. In the first goal, I planned to gain the necessary skills, and then the second goal was to be able to volunteer those skills. And the aim for the volunteering is to be able to make sure I also learn, because those people are going to have the resources, and then I'm going to use those resources to create for them. While I'm helping them, I'm going to be learning at the same time, and at the same time also help younger people like me, so that once they know if I'm able to achieve the goal, they should be able to achieve the dream, because most of them are from a very rich background. And then the next goal is to be able to go through college. So I plan to go to college after volunteering, and then be able to grow my skills, grow my knowledge, and be able to learn, and also get involved in various school researches to be able to make sure we solve most human problems. So in the first goal, I was able to gain necessary skills I need to gain. My parents didn't have any money or any funds to be able to support me, but I was able to go through self-learning and self-implement to be able to make sure I get that. Later on, I moved into the volunteering. So first school I went through is community modern college here in my area, which is a public school, and is a government-funded school. And in the school, I was able to help them build various projects. In the first project I built for them is a smart bot, which actually moves around the area and mop the floor. So if the floor is dirty, it's going to automatically move there, and you also avoid obstacles. It's very smart to avoid obstacles and live left, right, and just like that. And at the same time, the other project I built was actually a Lagos State, the whole national project, which is bringing up the topic of how science and technology can solve human and food insecurity. So in that project, I brought up an irrigation system to solve that problem, which means that if there's no water in the plant, it's going to automatically water the plant, and at the same time also check for bird and the rest that want to pest on any fruits or anything in the farm. So it has a smart crackle that's going to shout like that, and also an ultraviolet system to repel any of them. Later on, I also go into Community Innovation Hub. Community Innovation Hub is an innovation hub in Alimosho that help people into tech. We also train young people into tech, but at the same time, the price is very cheap than normal compared to those in Ireland. I also in my underserved community here. So I go into Community Innovation Hub as an intern, and then I volunteer supporting them, and most of people I help. I was able to train over 200 people in Community Innovation Hub, and those of people who I trained, some of them are finalists of various competitions, ALU and ALX and the rest like that. And after that, I was also selected for the African Youth. I was also selected for the Aspen Institute, which is the Future Young Leadership Program in Miami, US, where I got to solve problems around climate actions and how technology can come in to be able to solve that problem. And actually, I come up with a software which can actually help in solving the problem then. Also, I was also selected for the Tech Action Lab program. The Tech Action Lab program, where I got to travel to South Africa, and over the program I got to connect with a lot of different people around the world. I got to learn from different cultures, get to learn from different things, and I actually tried to transform my perspective. So I was able to look into that and look at how I can actually transform how I think and how the solutions I'm going to be bringing up is going to look like. And also, I have some projects who I have on my laptop who have been there for a very long time, but that project later on got a recognition from Microsoft ADC program, which actually recognized the program, and I got to present the program to Bill Gates. So which is an innovative smart system which aims to help people who are visually impaired. Because the aim is to make sure they navigate freely, maybe they can go to work or try to make money for their families and the rest like that. The working in progress, I was able to test it with 2 people, and based on their feedback, I'm also working to improve on it. And Bill Gates also gave me some few feedback which actually lead to what we have currently now. Thank you.